Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Madhrin Srinivas, your dermatology educator. So I take small topics and MCQ based discussions of dermatology related topics in my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe so that you will get all the latest updates of the videos. And today's our good thought from Jack Ma. So initially he told that he was called as a crazy Jack. The reason for which is that he made very weird decisions, out of the box decisions, but then he told that we are only crazy but we are not stupid. So just compare that to the present situation of what you are in. This is September 30th for those students who are watching this video at a later date. So it is September 30. So results have been announced, and many students, they are actually planning to take branches. They are in process of decision making. So word of wisdom for all of you: be crazy, that is adventurous in selecting your subject or branch, but definitely you should not be stupid, that is you should inquire all about the subject and then only take a wise decision to join in that particular subject. Why? Because subject which you are going to opt now is going to be with you for your entire lifetime till the last breath. So you should be happy with the subject whichever you are opting. So likewise you should be very much well informed while selecting your branch. So be very cautious. And this is our today's question, and you can pause the video and read the question and options, but I am going to reveal the answer. So the answer here is linear IgA bullous disease. So the question says, which of the following is an immunobullous disease of the childhood which clinically can present as annular arrangement of the vesicles. So we know very well that annular lesion is going to have a peripheral rim and there will be a central clearing. So this is already known for everybody. So there is an arrangement of the vesicles. So this you should understand that these vesicles are present at the periphery. Okay, and this type of arrangement, when it is present, presently seen in a child, then always you should think about one appearance. This appearance is called as crown of jewel appearance. It's also called as cluster of jewel appearance. So probably some dermatologist who has his own gold shop may have coined these terms, and also this is called as string of pearls appearance. So all are related to jewels and pearls. The disease name is linear IgA bullous disease, and a very interesting point about this disease is this actually has two peaks of presentation. One is less than 5 years, that is in the children, where it is specifically called as chronic bullous disorder of the childhood. So here the lesions are going to be very peculiarly periorificial in nature, and later on of course they can become generalized and involve the trunk also. And in the adults it is usually seen in more than 60 years of age group, where lesions can be seen over the trunk and extremities, and the condition is basically due to the antibody production against BPAG2. Okay, and linear IgA disease, the characteristic lesion which I have explained in the previous slides, you can see here, this is the annular lesion which you are able to see. This annular lesion is having this rim of vesicles. These rim of vesicles are present. So these are described as string of pearl, cluster of jewel, or crown of jewel, so whatever it is. And important point which you must remember is there is going to be an urticarial base. There is going to be an urticarial base above which this annular lesion will be there, with studded with vesicles at the peripheral rim. So this was about linear IgA bullous disease in brief. So this is the tomorrow's question, so I think I am in the way. Please try to read this question, and if you know the answer for this, do answer it in the comment section. I will check out your comments. If you are right, I will give your comment a heart. Okay, so the links for all the awesome dermatology channels, groups, will be there in the comment section and also in the description, and you can just scan with your mobile phone and you will be taken to this where you can join all these channels. And if you like this video, please do give it a like and also share among your friends, WhatsApp groups or all your study groups, and tell them about this cluster of jewel or crown of jewel appearance, and also do forward them these links. And if any specific topic you want me to discuss, you can ask it in the comment section. And do remember to subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you will get the latest updates. And also please, yes, do remember to like this video so that YouTube will understand, the algorithm will understand that this is a useful video and it will be suggested for others also. And thank you so much for all your patient listening. Do watch these videos which were taken by me, and you can understand few of the other concepts of dermatology. Thank you so much. Happy learning dermatology. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Bye bye.